Hey, I'm Jake Knapp.
And I'm Jonathan Courtney.
I'm the creator of the design sprint process and the author of this book, Sprint.
I'm the CEO of AJ&Smart, and I own this book, and I've had a look at it.
The design sprint, if you don't know, is a 5-step process for solving big problems and testing new ideas. The idea is you get a team together, you clear the calendar, and you, instead of following the normal work schedule, you follow a checklist of activities so that by the end of the week, you've prototyped and tested that new idea with your customers. Between the two of us, we've run sprints with literally hundreds of companies.
Every company in the world.
Every company that you can think of, even the bad ones.
Think of one.
So I've run sprints with Google, teams at startups like Slack and Uber and Nest.
We've run sprints with some of the bigger, older corporate companies as well, companies like Lufthansa, Eon, these companies which are very old and established and are interested in getting into sprints.
We've also trained thousands of people how to run sprints, and we've had people from companies like Lyft and Airbnb and Apple,
Netflix or Google,
Salesforce and Lufthansa, and did you already say Lufthansa?
You say Lufthansa very strangely. Lufthansa.
The book came out in 2016, which is really not that long ago. It's a new idea, and it's spreading in Silicon Valley and with tech companies. It's just starting to be adopted by some larger companies, but it's really a very early moment. It's the perfect time to sort of become an expert.
So maybe this is probably the point that we should mention that we have like an online course.
What's the name of the course?
What do we even call it? The AJ&Smart Design Sprint Masterclass with Jake Knapp.
No, but it's official. It's the official one. So it's actually
the AJ&Smart official online Design Sprint Masterclass with Jake Knapp, very long name, is the best possible way to learn how to run design sprints, how to sell design sprints, and how to set up design sprints in any type of company.
It's really great to go through a sprint, and that teaches you part of what you need to know. But what we found is that there are tips and tricks and techniques for every step of the way, and really you just need to see how people do it and have access to those anytime you need it.
So what you actually get in the course is over 60 training videos showing you exactly how to do all of the design sprint exercises. Also a ton of updates to these exercises showing you the different things we've learned over the last few years running sprints in companies. But that's actually just the tip of the Sprintberg. You get access to our closed private community of design sprinters who've bought this course, who are running sprints, who are selling sprints and sharing their experiences. What you also get is access to our slides, our checklists, and everything that we use in AJ&Smart to run design sprints for clients that you can take and customize yourself to run your own sprints. And on top of that, it's not just that, Jake. There's more.
There's more?
What you also get is monthly live streams from AJ&Smart and sometimes Jake, where we're going to be answering any questions you have about running, selling, anything design sprint related. Plus, every single day, our in-house coach is going to be answering your questions in the private group. So it's crazy.
It's crazy. That is so
too
many
much
things.
stuff.
It's just a bundle of stuff.
We should start removing stuff from it.
I think so.
We're also going to be updating the course every month based on your feedback to constantly improve it. There isn't really a better way to learn the design sprint online, is there? So if you're watching this on the landing page of the masterclass, then you can just scroll around and have a look. If you're watching this somewhere else, like on YouTube, just go to ajsmart.com/masterclass and you can see everything you get in the masterclass and see you inside.